In this video, I'll talk about how you can check for GFV on Webull. Now on Webull, what you want to do is just open up the app, and the Webull, they don't really put a GFV section inside of the app, but if you get a good faith violation, you will get an alert or a notification inside of the app. So just open the app and check for any alerts or notifications that you might have gotten, and they will usually pop in your messages. So if you got one, you will be able to see it inside of the app and you can read about it. Now, if you want to avoid it, these are the ways that you can do it. The first one is to use cash. If you use settled cash to make a trade, then you probably won't get this issue. Now, the other one is wait for the cash to settle, and this will also help fix the issue. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.